When I'm not busy stalking the office with Skittles, I'm watching idiotic ramblings. Come on now.
Hey guys, welcome to a beautiful Sunday. Today is a mail call video. I've never done a mail call video because the mail is really slow. I thought I had some more. I got 3 or 4 pieces. I do this like once every 3 or 4 months because I don't generate that much mail. I thought you guys would send me more mail than what you do. I thought you'd love me, but you don't. There's just no love. It's very sad. But anyway, so to be fair to the guys that took the time to send me some mail, I need to acknowledge it. I think from now on, when I do get mail, because it's very slow, we will just include that in our daily vlogs. If I get a piece of mail, when I come home I got mail, I'll take it with me and I'll make a video and I'll just read it from the road. But a couple got some good mail this time. Well, all mail is good mail. But anyway, this is a postcard from Australia. Hi Tim, I enjoy all your idiotic rambling videos. Keep up the lifeless good spirit. On the front is a B-double 34 pallet reefer. This guy drives a Hearns freight service. Gross weight of 62.5 tons. Yes sir. So thank you Garth from Australia. You guys see the B-double train he pulled. I guess it's just B-doubles, right? That's what he drives in Australia. Pretty cool, right? Mail from Australia. Now this is from a detective in Richmond, Virginia. So if we ever need anybody bail me out of Richmond, I'll call this detective out of Richmond. So he sent me a nice card. Says, "Hey Tim, just a quick note to say thanks for your YouTube channel. I enjoy it very much. If you ever have a downtown Richmond, Virginia, I'd like to shake my hand." Well, there you go, detective. If we ever in Richmond, Virginia, we carry this with us in the truck as well, so that because it's hard to keep up with where everybody is. This next piece of mail is from Ben, upstate New York. If you guys don't know who Ben is, he is the 16-year-old kid that sent me the intros for my vlogs. He's the one with all the Peterbilts behind him. Really awesome, Ben. I appreciate this gift that you sent. Very generous of your time. We'll get into that in a moment. He wrote me a nice little letter. And I also submitted a new intro that's being laid on the beach with the Life is Good drawn in the sand. First of all, thanks for playing my video. Come on. Anytime, Ben. Thanks for submitting it. And acknowledging receipt of my letter. That's me standing in front of my model truck collection. Enclosed is a CD of all my favorite trucking songs. I thought you might enjoy listening to them while you're on the big road. I've been listening to it, Ben. I do appreciate it, my man. It has been awesome. Be safe and keep the videos coming. I learned a lot, and the videos are very helpful, as I intend to be out there driving a big rig when I get older and finish high school. You definitely finish high school, Ben. Take lots of math and accounting and blah blah blah. So anyway, so he got 22 songs on this CD, man, and I've been enjoying it. It's anywhere from Willie Nelson to Rascal Flatts, Alabama, Tony Justice. It's just a nice selection of songs, you know. So it's really sounds good, big old Pete, you know. And then got a little package here from Mitch, a gentleman from Jacksonville, Florida. I am a bad influence on a lot of people. So Mitch is a contractor down there in Jacksonville, Florida. So if you guys want a house built in the next few months, you better call Mitch, because he's quitting contracting. We're going to become a heavy haul truck. So Mitch sent me a couple of hats from his business. He is Frontier Specialized. You guys see that? You can see him in my comments section quite a bit. He is an avid watch and follower and a commenter. So there's that, guys. Thank you, everybody. Thank you much for the hats. Thank you, Ben, for the CD, and thank you, Detective from Virginia, for the business card and letter, and the postcard from Australia. That was awesome. So anyway, so I thought I had another piece or two, but I did not locate it. Like I said, the mail is a slow process. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that mail call. And we will see you, if you're going to be around Walcott, Iowa, this Wednesday. Stop in and say hello. I'll be there. Won't be part of the show, but I'll be there for 2 days. And I have a televised interview to do while I'm there. So anyway, so you guys have a good one. We'll see you on the road. Be safe.
Hey Tim, this is Ben Iron from Tuckahoe, New York. You are watching Idiotic Ramblings with Life is Good. Come on.